cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Cadillac XT4 and we're going to do the front grille chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the front grille looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire front grille of the XT4. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire front grille. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're not able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, then you can also use Tide solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. But if you're able to remove everything with just the slip solution, then you should be good with just that. And you need a clean microfiber towel too in order to clean off the contaminants, and also while you're prepping, clean around the surrounding area in case the film does touch the paint or anywhere else on the panel, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And then once we're done with the prep, make sure that everything's completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film sticks to the panel. Okay, so to start with the installation, we're going to start with piece number 1 that covers the lower section of the grille here. So with this one, just place the film down and work from one end. You can start either that side or that side. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure wherever you do start that you follow the alignment. So align it right on the curved edge right here and use the inside section and right here the inside section as a guide to align the rest of the film until you reach it over there. And once you tack down the film, go ahead and just grab your squeegee, start removing all of the air that's trapped underneath the film. You could tuck in the film underneath the grille here since there is a small little gap here. And then once we're done tacking down everything, we're going to apply heat to start sealing all the edges, and also will help the adhesive on the film activate faster. Okay, so to seal the film, get a heat device. You can use a heat gun or hair dryer and start applying heat using the lowest setting, and just help it tack down all over the panel. And any excess material that we do have will help it trim off around the bottom section here, since we have a nice gap in order to insert our blade here and trim off the excess material if we have any. Okay, and then once you finish applying heat, just go ahead and inspect the panel that you just worked on. If you see that you have excess material on some areas, make sure before you trim that you tuck in the film. That way we make sure everything's fully covered. So for example, here we have this excess material here. So all I'm doing is just lifting the film carefully, and then with the white part of my squeegee, just tucking it inside. That way I know, okay, everything's fully covered and all of this section here, or this extra material here, is not needed, so we can just trim it off. Okay, and if you were to trim off the excess material, go ahead and just grab your blade, insert it right in this small gap, carefully trim, and work your way down. So find that gap, insert, and trim. once you remove all the excess material from the entire panel, wherever we have excess material, just grab your heat device. That way we start sealing the edges that we trimmed. And then once we're done applying heat, we'll move on to piece number 2 that covers the top piece here. Okay, so for piece number 2, it's the same process as how we did it with this one. Just make sure you align it on the curve here, and everything else should fall into place. So it should reach to where we left off here. And with this one, I would recommend using the top section here as your guide to align the rest of the film. So lift and adjust it and align it as needed. Go ahead and just grab your squeegee, start tacking everything down. Repeat the same process as how we did it here. Tack everything down, apply heat, and then trim off excess material. Okay, and for the 2 edges here, in order to help it tack down, you're going to grab a heat device, focus on applying heat around those 2 areas, and then once we apply heat with our finger, we could just help it tack down slowly by going side to side. So just do this. Apply heat, let the film cool down just a little bit, and then side to side. That way you have coverage on the curve here. So it should be like this, and coverage. Cool. And then just reapply heat, that way it stays tacked down and doesn't lift. Okay, you would do the same on this end. Any excess material that you may have around the edges, you would just trim it off, if you have any. So that's how you will go about installing the outer grille for the XT4. Now, for the middle section here, some XT4s do have this grille design. So for those that do have this grille design, we'll move on to how to go about the installation for this one. Okay, so this part of the installation is for those that have this grille design in the middle here for the XT4. So I just split up the kit just to make things a little bit easier. So when you're looking at it and you're about to do the installation, make sure you have the correct side. So the one with the D lettering is for the driver's side here, and then the P is for the passenger side. So since everything's the same here, we'll just do the driver's side, and then you would just reflect and get your passenger side and do the same here. So when you're doing the install, make sure you're grabbing the correct piece. So for example, let's say since we're doing the driver's side, this piece here, the first piece close to the D here on the top, is for this panel here. So make sure you get the correct one and install it there. If you were to get, let's say, a random one, let's say the next one here, and install it here, it's not going to fit. So make sure you get the correct piece, because each little piece is different, so you need to make sure you grab the correct one. So this one with the first one, this one next to it, third one next to the second one, and so forth. So we laid it down exactly how it's supposed to be. So when it comes to the installation process, it's all the same. So you just grab your piece and just make sure you're covering the chrome. So align it, place it, and take it down. Just like that. So you would just grab a piece, grab the next one, would be for that one. So grab it and align it and tack it down. This will take some time since they are small pieces. So just take your time peeling, aligning, and tacking down. And then once you install all of them, make sure to remove all of the air that may be trapped underneath the film here. Grab your squeegee, or you can use your finger, and just remove all of the air bubbles that are underneath the film. And then once you make sure there's no air bubbles underneath it, grab your heat device and just apply heat to seal the entire edge. That way the film doesn't lift over time. Repeat the process, grab the piece, finish off, install until you reach it here. And then once you finish doing the installation for all of them, the last thing to do would be to post heat the entire thing. So once you finish installing all the small little pieces on the front grille here, the last thing to do would be to post heat the entire grille. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. So you can use a heat gun or a hairdryer, use the lowest setting on your device, and apply heat throughout the entire front grille. That way we help the adhesive activate faster and help the edges tack down around the small little sections here of the little panel. That way the film doesn't lift over time. So take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the front grille chrome delete installation for the Cadillac XT4. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kits for the XT4. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.